Welcome back for another Matic price update video where I will be sharing the next target areas that Matic needs to continue holding here on the charts, and also give you my pullback target areas. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And before I get to the technical analysis, allow me to start the video by first bringing to your attention that today we have the FOMC meeting in the next few hours. And as a result of this, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market. And there are chances that in case there is a negative impact to the market, we can continue heading further down here on the charts. But in case the FOMC has a positive impact, then I will be expecting higher prices here on the Matic chart. And at the time of this recording, you can see that Matic is holding above our key area of support at around the $0.6227 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And all this is playing out after we saw this massive push to the upside after getting a low at around the $0.49 mark, where you can see that we saw this massive breakout giving us a high above the $0.66 mark. And after getting that high, you can see that we have been seeing a bit of a consolidation over here. And there are chances that once we have the FOMC meeting, then we are going to see the next direction here on the Matic chart, where we can either get a massive push to the upper side, breaking above the $0.65 mark, which is our next key area of resistance, and a break above that with a retest. Then we can easily see Matic get above the $0.7 mark in the next coming hours. Alternatively, in case the FOMC meeting has a negative impact to the market, then I will be expecting further downside, losing our significant area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. And after losing that, we can either get a retest or maybe continue heading further down into this blue target area that I have highlighted on the charts. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from this low that we made at around the $0.493 mark to that high at around the $0.667 mark, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.5998 mark and the $0.5589 mark, which is an area that we can expect Matic to get into in case we continue heading further down. And that is my pullback target area, an area within which we can get a low in place, and then this area should also continue acting as support to give us a reversal to the upper side, breaking above resistance once more, then continue gearing up and get above the $0.7 mark. And on the worst case scenario, in case we get into this blue target area and maybe we lose the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.78, then there are high chances that the worst case scenario for Matic will be playing out, where we can get below the $0.5 mark once more. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm expecting on the short term here on the Matic chart. And now jumping to the daily chart to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis and give you what I'm expecting once the bull market is here. You can see that here on the daily chart, Matic gave us a low down here back in 2020 before we saw that massive push to an all-time high above the $2.9 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out. And Matic is now ready for an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $5 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term on the Matic chart, and I hope that video was of much help to you.